Hi everybody, this is Tina from Tina's Messy Crafty Life for 2024 31 Day Smashbook Challenge! Day 17. First off, before I tell you the little story about Day 17, happy birthday Sabrina! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to Sabrina! Happy birthday to you! Okay, there. Now that I shattered everybody's glasses and windows in their house, we're all good. So, Donna was just here a little while ago. She's like, what are you doing, Mom? And I said, I'm doing day 17. And she goes, what's day 17? And I said, stories. She goes, and so she looked, she goes, Mom. And then she went, where's the list? And I went back and she went and looked at the list. She goes, Mom, it's stores, not stories. So I'm going to share the first one I did, and then I'll share the second one. I can't believe I read it wrong. Okay, so here's my first day 17. And it's in honor of Sabrina because it was funny because we were talking about childhood and with our ATC thing going on. It was just fitting. Oh my God, I can't believe it. So the day before, was games. And so I thought it read stories. So my favorite stories. I can't read. So it's I like stories. Stores. Hey, if you can't make fun of yourself, don't make fun of anybody else. So I went and I printed off the Brady Bunch. Here's the story of a lovely lady. And then I did the pictures of them because the night before I was talking to Sabrina about this day 16. We just got talking, and with us doing the oldies but goodies tunes, it's just fit in there. So I thought, what the hell? That's what Smashbooks are about, to be funny. So here we go to the real one. My favorite stores. Oh my God. Five Below. I like Five Below. Ranger. I classify Ranger as a store, even if it's online. Dollar General, Barnes & Noble, and Hobby Lobby, and Amazon, and Dollar Tree, and St. Vincent de Paul are my favorites. But I still can't believe I did that. Oh my God. Diamond says I need to go get my eyes checked. I said, I guess so. So, once again, thanks for watching. And happy birthday again, Sabrina. It's just a little bit. It's just, you know what? It's all in fun. It's all in fun. In honor of Sabrina. See? All right, guys. Thanks for watching. As always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty, and bye for now.